Adios, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles. In today's video, we are exploring the month function in Power BI DAX. This function is super useful for analyzing trends, filtering reports by month, and breaking down sales data. Let's dive in. The month function extracts the month as a number from 1 to 12 from a date column. Month equal to month of sales of order date. This will return the month number from each order date. Now let's bring in our dataset and apply this function. We have an Excel dataset containing order date when an order was placed, then sales amount, the value of the orders. After that, we have to do the usual steps like opening Power BI, then click on Get Data. From Excel, we have to load the dataset. After that, please navigate to Data View. Great, now let's create a new column using the month function, that is a calculate column. Now we will create a calculated column using tax. The tax formula is month equal to month of sales of order data. This extracts the month from each order data. Easy, right? But how do we use this for analysis? Let's find out. Let's create a visualization to analyze sales by month. So to create a monthly sales chart, drag month column to x-axis. After that, drag sales amount to y-axis. Then choose any column chart. Now we can see total sales for each month. This helps in identify seasonal trends and peak months. Power BI shows months as numbers, but what if we want names like January, February, March, etc. So for that we have to create the DAX formula for month name. For that we can create in DAX like month name equal to format of sales of order data, comma, and also give for M and close the bracket. Now instead of numbers we get January, August, October, like that. This makes our reports much easier to read. Today we learned how to use the month function, how to create a month column, how to build a month sales chart. I hope this tutorial helped you master the month function in Power BI. If you found this useful, smash that like button. Subscribe to Saru Chronicles and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy analyzing.